No! Okay, first let's start off by saying that we're wearing the same shirt.
No.
I'm Haley.
I'm Hannah.
And we're Cimarelli.
Today I'm going to be turning my beautiful sister into a Christmas tree. We're gonna start with the hair.
Oh, we are? Okay.
Can I see the hairspray? Wait, let me brush it up first. Let's talk about
This is
something.
gonna be so hard to get out of my hair.
No, it just has to go like this.
Okay.
Okay.
Shield your face.
Oh, you just... This is very cold and I'm sticky. Oh, this is it, sis. Oh, mama.
Oh, Mamba. Oh.
Ow! That's my f***ing scalp!
Oh my god.
I feel like this shower I'm gonna take after this is gonna be absolutely whack.
Or should we paint you like the Grinch?
Oh, God. Okay, guys, so we may have taken a slight turn of events. She's gonna make me the Grinch instead. Hannah, you're scaring me with the drippage.
That is very fluorescent.
This better f***ing come off.
Oh my god, Hannah, I really hope.
Do you think?
Haley, I've painted. You know how many kids' faces?
Yeah,
we
but
used to
you
paint?
don't paint their whole
Yes, we
face.
did. Sometimes they'd just be like, I want to be a balloon. And I'm like, okay, what color? This is actually a really good spot treatment for the pimple.
What are we doing, Hannah?
I'm making you the Grinch. Crinkle your forehead like really, really hard.
Wait, you mean like this? I'm scared.
No, go like this. Oh wait, just kidding, don't do that.
Okay, what's your favorite and least favorite part of being twins?
My favorite part is having a friend all the time.
Okay, and the least favorite thing, I'd say we let me tell you, our answer used to be probably that we wore the same thing.
The same
But
shirt
now
with the
we
same
like
Grinch
it.
at
We
each other.
appreciate being the same sometimes.
We had so many
We were kind of
friends.
bitchy in this video.
Me and Haley are just awkward people. Well, when we were younger, we were awkward people.
But if anybody wants to be in a video with us, hit us up if you're in the Pennsylvania area, and we can do a video.
Oh my god, Haley, look!
What the frick? Mine didn't stay.
Aw.
Who is older? Me by 2 minutes. Do you have the same clothes and shoes? Yeah, we do. We dress like pretty similar, I would say. Don't you think?
I mean, we are. Yes.
What is your favorite movie that you've watched together?
Wait, say it on the count of 3.
1, 2, 3.
Aristocats.
Aristocats. Ah! Hannah, you're putting your hand in my butt.
I'm sorry, I was just trying to get my hair to stay up.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, have you ever missed a class by sending another twin there? We've
No.
never done that. Have you ever tried twin pranks on people? Yes, we have.
On boys.
So her boyfriend, she'll be talking to her boyfriend on the phone, and I'll be like, "Love you, babe."
We need to
And
take a
then,
new thumbnail because my
They
hair's
believe it.
staying now.
What's your favorite thing you like about each other? You go first.
I love your demeanor and how you're really like.
Let's go, let's get it done, baby. I don't care if I don't want to do it because we need to get it done.
Okay, that's really sweet, thanks. So my favorite thing about Han is probably that she's crafty. She painted me a picture for my room, and she just like, anything you could tell her to paint. If you ask her to make you the Grinch, she could probably make you the Grinch. Have you ever felt your twins' pain?
Emotional.
What?
Emotionally.
Yeah, like if she's upset, then I automatically, if I see her crying, then I'm gonna cry. Are you jealous of each other?
No. I mean, I'm jealous of the fact that you like went through the army, but you're prettier than me.
I am not prettier than you! Shut the f up, we look exactly the same! Have you ever dated the same girl, boy? I feel like maybe in elementary
In elementary
we
school,
had
but
crushes on the same
nowadays,
boys.
no.
That's like code, so don't do that shit.
Even though we look the same.
Right. Next question. Or did you want to try to fix my hair? Can you
No, there ain't no fixing that shit,
Can
but
you?
I'll try.
Which of you is better at cooking? Hannah. Girly. Okay. Yeah, Hannah's better at cooking. Have you ever tried to go to a party without your twin?
Yeah, and I don't like it.
Not fun. Would you switch spots with your twin? I wouldn't mind. I personally wouldn't choose to, cause like,
No,
This is
I
my
wouldn't
life that I
because
built.
your life is like really intense.
who takes longer getting ready?
I don't know because I feel like if we are in a rush, we're not the type of people who
We
like.
don't even put
If
on
we
makeup.
randomly find out that we have to go somewhere, we're just like, okay, let's go. Then I'll take
Okay,
it
so I have to guess your dream job. You have to guess my dream job. So your dream job, I feel like, at this point in your life, would be to be an elementary school teacher. Yeah.
I feel like your dream job is to be a drill sergeant.
This
a
is like-
psychologist.
But there's one big
Oh,
one.
interior designer.
Yes. Okay. I'm ambitious, folks.
A YouTuber.
No, there's one that's like in my head that if I could just do this, it'd be like, yes.
A garbage man.
No, a dentist.
Oh.
My dream job is a dentist.
Nicknames do you have for each other?
Han.
And Hales.
One thing that annoys you about the other.
Say it on the count of 3.
No, wait, I can't think of one.
I thought you were gonna say toilet paper.
Oh! Let me tell you one thing. She will do this cute thing where she will use all the toilet paper that's on the toilet paper roll, leave the empty toilet paper roll. So I'm sitting there pooping, and then I go to grab toilet paper, and I'm like, Hannah, you just screwed me over.
You don't wipe with the cardboard?
No, do you? Do you actually?
No.
Okay, so another thing that annoys me that you do is you
Wait,
always...
you were only supposed to say
No, but this
one.
is like the one that I was thinking.
Don't put that in there. That makes me sad.
Share the most wonderful memory you have together. Oh my god. It's like our whole lives.
Oh, can I say something that actually might make me cry?
Oh no, don't cry, don't cry.
No, it's happy. It's not sad.
Oh god.
So she was at Basic, and I was serving at a restaurant,
Oh.
and my phone was buzzing. I told my tables I had 3, and I told them I was like, I think this might be my sister. I've been waiting on a call from my sister, and she's in the army, so hold on a second. Like, I'll be right back. And then I went in the break room, and it was her. And I heard her voice, and I started bawling my eyes out.
I remember that, and it was weird to hear your voice.
I was like-
before I left for basically the most time we
You
spent
just said
apart.
before I left her, basically.
Yeah. Oh. Before I left for basic, the most time we spent apart was like 24 hours, if that.
But the wonderful part was hearing her voice.
But you know what's great is I'm here now. Who is good at sports?
I am not good at sports, and don't even say that, because I used to be in soccer, like in the back of the line, be like, and everyone's like, come on, Han, you got it. And I'm like, I like to sing and paint and do all
you
that.
just spit on my... Sorry, keep
Every
going.
video is me spitting on you at some point.
Whose room is cleaner? At the moment, I think mine is cleaner. The weirdest thing you do together or did together.
Make YouTube videos.
And we used to like camp outside. Do you remember that when we were young? We'd like, please tell me you remember.
Yes.
We'd have this tiny ass tent.
And we'd go put it outside.
And we'd, like,
halfway
set
through the
it
night
up.
and halfway through the night it would start raining, so we'd come inside.
Yeah, and then like it was a huge mess, and it was just like, why did we do that? Like we
And then we
could
get
just sleep inside or put a tent inside. No, we put a tent outside for no reason, like right outside the door. Do you remember we did? We put a tent right outside of our door.
or just laid there and like giggled.
Yeah, and like you'd be so bored in the tent, and we're like detoxing. Who is more straightforward among you? You. Okay, name a friend of each other you do not like. Maybe we shouldn't do this question.
We'll
Never-
bleep it out.
Okay.
We'll bleep it out.
Can you think of someone?
Oh.
Oh, I already. No. All right, we're gonna stop, but we know the person. Share a moment when you have missed each other badly. We already
When
answered
she was in
that.
Basic.
Name a web game you both play together.
Oh my god.
Okay.
RuneScape, Minecraft, Club Penguin, Habbo Hotel, baby.
Would you both like to work in the same place?
Yes,
we
we have
always
before.
work in the same place. We worked at McDonald's together. We worked at Olive Garden together.
We're about to work in the army together. No, I'm kidding.
Oh yeah, but we're not gonna talk about
Oh,
that.
yeah, no! Wait, we can't put this in.
Okay, no! Ah! Are your partners good friends? They don't really know each other.
One lives in Louisiana and mine lives here. So.
Not really, but when they have hung out,
I
they've
hate
gone
boys. Let's
along.
quit talking
Yeah,
about boys.
no. Who has a more decent nature among you?
Decent?
I don't know
Who's
what
more
they're-
diet conscious? Her. I eat garbage.
Okay, but I also eat garbage, so I'm not diet conscious.
Yeah, but I only eat garbage.
Have you ever dreamt of being alone? What does that mean?
Like being an only child? No, that would suck.
Oh.
I'm so sorry if you're an only child.
Yeah, that would kind of suck.
Complete the sentence. My twin sibling
That's
is.
so lame.
Let's think and then do it on the count of 3.
Wait.
1, 2, 3.
Stubborn.
Perfect.
You are perfect, BB. Have you ever sent your twin on your date? Wait. Oh no, that's weird.
What would happen if you were triplets? Me and Haley would literally
Yeah, I
bully
can't
the other one
imagine
so
that.
bad.
I feel like we'd like leave that third one out and be like, yeah.
Especially
No.
if it was a boy. If
Can
it
you
was a-
imagine if there was another person that looked like
Ew,
us?
if it was a girl, then it would probably be like, we'd get catty and we'd be like, yeah, you can't hang out.
Would you like to have another pair of twins in your family?
No, because we would just be better than them. I'm kidding, no one that.
Alright, so we're gonna stop now. Thanks for watching. We're gonna try to get this hair back to normal and our faces back to normal. Let's do a reaction first of our parents. Who
What is that?
Guess what we are?
Who are we? I have no idea.
We're the Grinch.
Oh, the Grinch. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
She didn't
now I
know.
get it.